Hello everybody, welcome back to another trade recap. I'm gonna be going over the one trade I ended up taking today. I made $402 on my eval, and hope you guys can learn something from this one. Uh, yeah, let's get into it. So, market open right here. Actually, no, daily bias. Let's go into the bias. Bias clearly bullish. We're clearly not going any lower. We're on all-time highs. Respecting these levels, respecting this rejection block right here, and just delivering off of it, right? So, scaling down, there wasn't any really high time frame draws that I really wanted to see this Asia session, other than all-time highs. Like that was obviously the main draw, but I'm not gonna take a trade up to there because I'm not really looking for a 100-point move. I'm more looking for right here, 28-point move to the obvious draw, right? So we saw these relative equal highs at this 15-minute intermediate high. So I was like, all right, yeah, this is a very obvious draw right here. I could see it's coming down into this intermediate low, this 5-minute rejection block. That'd be great. So what ended up happening was upon market open, we open, generate liquidity at the relative equal highs, adding to this, right? So I'm like, all right, great. If we come down, manipulate this intermediate low right here, that'd be great. We can also come down to this uh 5-minute rejection block, but I don't want to see it go any lower. Why? Because we have these stacked up lows right here. And when we end up going any lower, like making relative equal lows at these lows, that's when it's like sus. That's when I don't want to take the trades because it's just low probability conditions, right? So here at market open, we entered, and then we had an SMT at this 5-minute intermediate low. We didn't quite tap the rejection block, but we did have an SMT there, so that was great. We didn't need to see that happen because of the SMT. And then there was this initial long right here off of this 510 candle, this 2-minute inverse right here, all, or no, 512, this 2-minute inverse up here, which the only reason why I didn't take it is because of we didn't really like inverse right away. Like especially with Asia, I want to see inversions strongly through the gaps, right? So if we inverse like this candle or maybe even this candle, I could have taken it. But like since we didn't inverse until this candle and it was such a bad RR, I wanted to see some extra confirmation, right? So what can we get for extra confirmation? We could get this 3-minute gap CISD, and what ended up happening was we tapped this 3-minute gap, respecting it, and then displace higher off of that. So I'm like, all right, perfect. This is a great trade to take. So what? Tap the 3-minute, and then we get a clean reaction off of it. Get the 1-minute CISD IFVG, and then I enter. We do get chopped around for a little bit. Went break even right about here once we hit this high, and then I took profit right here. That was because I didn't want to see us generate more liquidity. I didn't want to be in the trade for any longer. But yeah, I entered in for 7 contracts. And yeah, that was the trade I took. We might end up going towards all-time highs tomorrow AM session. We could also end up taking out these relative equal lows here. So again, we'll just wait and see. Just let the market do its thing. And yeah, that's all. Thank you all very much for watching. Right now I'm currently trading on Lucid accounts. I have 3 accounts open for some reason. One account I'm trading on I'm trading Asia, another um I'm trading Asia and then AM, and then another is like a 50K that it's almost blown. But yeah, that's, and there was also this trade evade issue earlier, which is really unfortunate. those that were trading on Trade. That's why I like TradeC a lot. Um, I haven't had any problems with TradeC other than like it not saving my chart settings, which is kind of annoying, but like that's really it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.